Hello. Back again. My name is Amanda. I don't know how people talk for so long in these intros. I have absolutely no idea what to say besides, hey, wanna watch this? That's really it. If you wanna look like a clown, then, you know, keep watching if you wanna see how the Colourpop eyeliners work. And I'll see ya, I guess right now then. Hello again. Welcome back. 3 people. So, I really wanted to try these Colourpop Bff liquid liners, and I said I was going to do it a while ago, but it's been like a week, so I haven't. Also, I put most of my base on already because it wasn't necessary, took too much time, didn't make any sense for me to do it. So anyways, we did our bronzer, we did our foundation, I did my eyebrows, and I primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. It's very old. And now we're just going to go in and do what I really want to do, and that's put hearts on my face. If you saw what I did last time, it's basically the same thing. Let's just use a color we don't care about and take some tweezers. Put this in the middle of my face. Probably right here. Except she's crooked. There really wasn't much of an intro, so I guess I'm gonna have to make one at the end. They don't have to be even, they just have to be cute. So we're just gonna go again. And again, my lid fell off. The classic blush palette by BH Cosmetics. And we're just gonna go in and make ourselves very red or pink. I want to be more pink today. I want to focus on the bottom 4 colors. So like these 4 right here. I don't really want to go in with this one. She's quite dark and I don't want to be that dark. So again, we're gonna pat, pat, pat. We're gonna bring it up the nose and the button. Bring whatever's excess over here. And then again, take all these 4 colors. I'm filming this on a Saturday. No, I'm not. It's a Sunday. How's everybody's weekend going? Or weekday, you know, whenever you're watching this. And I really want this to be intense, so if it looks crazy good, it should be. You ever have ideas of what you want to talk about? You don't talk about it. I might go in a little bit with the colors that I wasn't going to, but just right in the middle. Because I really want these to pop. If they don't, shit. This one might not, because he's not really sticking. Don't you focus up for me. And I do want to glow a little bit. And I do want to try out one of the Wet n Wild highlighters. I bought one of the new Mega Glow highlighting powders, and I think it looks really nice. The shade Blossom Glow. And I know I have so much pink on my face, and that's really just how I want to keep it. Matte like that. However, I really want to try it out. And a little glow never hurt anybody. Just really make everything pop, you know? My Samsung S7 is not picking this up, but she's beautiful. And I'm just taking this on an e.l.f. fan brush, by the way. I'm going to take a brush and buff this part out. Maybe go back at the blush. Well, that's really nice. I think so. I think that's nice. That's so nice. So I don't know about you, but excuse my unfilled nails and busted fingers still. I still didn't get it fixed. And I can tell you why. I don't like to call people. Let's make this really bright. Like Rudolph. Yeah. I don't like to make calls. There's a specific lady I want to go to get my nails refilled. But I hate calling people. So the day I was going to call to schedule an appointment, I didn't. This highlighter is actually a little stiff, so I don't think a fan brush is really a good idea. I am going to go back in with the Face Tapered brush by an unknown company because I got it off Amazon. And just really focus it on the temples. I should just get all over the face. Why the fuck not? I did put Jeffree Star's Liquid Frost underneath my foundation, so let's just set the entire face with highlighter. Who gives a shit, right? It's fucking Sunday, bitches. And go back in with our blush. I just put my blush away. Away as in, a little bit out of arm's reach. Just above the chin, too. Judging by the outfit, you can see we're going for a clown look again. And why not? Alright, face is done. I always do like to spray it with this Mario spray, just so it smooths everything out before we go in and finally finish it with our setting spray. How did the gurus do it? without squinting their face. Like something's coming at your eyes and your face and they're just like it's something fucking beautiful. It's like someone's pissing on my face. I don't like that. I have to like squint like away. Alright, so really I'm just going to focus on using the Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics. And look what I got for Christmas, because they were on sale. It's the Sugarpill Little Twin Star collection, but I am going to use this palette because I don't really want to do anything crazy. I might just focus on like these two colors, like Sky Ribbon and Sky Candy, and then maybe use a shimmer from the inside of the BH Cosmetics palette, maybe the Virgo color. What's your zodiac sign? If it wasn't already apparent, I am a Scorpio. Some people don't really believe in zodiacs. I think it's like bogus. And, you know, I'm not knocking it, that's fine. You believe what you want. I believe mine, though. Let me see, what was I gonna do? I want to do, like, pink in the middle, and then blue. Cool, okay. So then I'm also actually gonna go in with Zoom Ship, too, with Colourpop. Anybody listen to anything new? Comment down below what you're listening to, because I'm always looking for new music. Anything, really, even if I've heard it. Maybe I've just forgotten about it. I really like this brush. It says contour, but who the fuck is contouring with it? I don't know who D and C Color is still. If you have any idea, you know, just let me know. I'm gonna go in with Star Ribbon in the crease. I found it's not the most pigmented things, palette in general, but it's really good going for like a really nice soft pastel look. Twinkle Twinkle, Wish, and Dream Dust are pretty good though, but they're like warm nudes. And if you're into that, then that'll be really good for you. My eyes are not slightly, they're like pretty wrinkly and quite hooded. And I'll be really honest, everybody knows what their skin, not temperature, but everybody knows what their skin type is. I don't know what mine is. If I had to go out on a limb, a very tiny limb on a big ass tray, I would have to say maybe normal to oily, because I do have horrible acne, but it's cystic. But I don't really find many dry spots on my face. Really just gonna blend this out. I think I might keep it all matte. I was gonna use the Zodiac palette, but I'm not quite sure because Sky Candy kind of has a shimmer to it. Cool. Now I'm gonna go in with Zoom Ship by Colourpop. I use it, like, if there's ever a blue I use, it's that. But I am getting the Bretman Rocks. The blue palette, I think there's lit and there's wet, I think. I like Bretman Rocks. I'm not subscribed to them, though. I don't really subscribe to gurus. I like watch them and stuff, but I don't know. I watch shit like Jenna Marbles. She's like awesome. She's really smart. And, like, I watch a lot of comedy. I'm subscribed to a lot of, like, cooking ASMR channels, too. I think informative channels are really good, too. I like when they create things, like art and crafts and stuff. Like, Bobby Duke's art is really cool. I think he does really cool stuff. I like to draw myself. I don't draw myself, but I like to draw. I don't know, that's just stuff fascinates me. Emmy made in Japan, I love her. I think she's so sweet. She's also like a New England buddy, too. Up here in the cold. Okie dokie. So I am going to go into this little Zoeva brush. It's the Luxe Petite Crease brush. It's the 231. I'm going to go on the inside and the outside. I did that in opposite succession. And, like, if you have eyes like me, where one is smaller than the other, they're very crusty, and they have, you know, a lot of hood going on, you really have to get into the hollow of your eye. Sometimes it helps to look up, so I can really get in there and make sure pigment is there. She's here. So I've been on an ARG binge. I've been watching a lot of them. I'm watching currently Hi, I'm Mary Mary. I finished Daisy Brown. I watched Post Content. That one's pretty good too. I think that one's over, judging by the last episode. Could you imagine if I turned this into an ARJ? That'd be kind of funny. That'd be really funny. If, like, you just thought this was like a regular, like... I'm gonna go back in with Star Ribbon, by the way, and just fade it out up top. Just have this like a normal, just a girl. All she has is her Samsung camera. She's doing her best. And then it just turns into like an ARG. And just weird shit starts happening. That nervous laugh, I hope that makes you nervous. I'm like really hot, I don't know why. Probably because I'm fat. Why did I close this? I close things and I need them. I don't think I'm going to worry about cutting out the middle. We did such a good job of keeping the middle clean, I don't really feel like I need to. I do want that blend, so don't really need it. So I'm going to go in with Sky Candy. Just in the middle. Now I personally love Little Twin Star. I think they are so cute. Just little baby angels. Choco Cat is like my favorite Sanrio character though. And then Kurumi. And then My Melody, I like her too. And then Hello Kitty, of course. Let's smoke a little of this blue underneath while we're here. I do have skin tags underneath my eyes if you've noticed. I should get them removed. I'm like deathly afraid of everything though. Also, I am hyper aware my concealer creased like a bitch. I'm gonna take Sky Candy on my finger too. Not quite at the opacity that I want. So let me blend these two in because they actually look pretty cute together. I'll take I have very, very sensitive eyes, so I have to be really careful when I put things really close to the waterline. Yeah, let's take Virgo. It's like a really pretty kind of champagne pink. That didn't do anything. I've been defeated. We can put it in our inner corner. Just hear my leg crack. It's gross. I'm still not sure on like what kind of wig I want to use. I have like 2 ideas. I'm taking that Virgo shade again from the Zodiac palette and just putting it in my brow bone. I'm just at my breastbone. Ew. But yeah, I got a wig from Wigg's Fashion. It's this pink wig I usually wear. It doesn't fit my head. I don't have that big of a head. I don't really know what the problem is. Yeah, I really like this color. It's called Ducky by Colourpop. And I haven't tried any of these yet, so I'm very excited to try them. It's just a felt tip. I did try them on my hand and they won't come off for anything. I tried, man. So far, that's a really nice pink. One is done. I was going to show you guys, but I have like issues like holding shit. I had to like look straight in my big mirror. There is a little bit of a tug when I try to go straight, but if you just go in like little increments and then fill it in, it's not really that bad. So far, I really like it. Let's see how it looks when it dries down. I'm going to go off and do the other side. I retract my statement slightly. I don't think there's really actually a tug. It's just where I was placing my eyeliner. There's kind of just some wrinkles, some crust, and it was probably clinging to those crusty, no budge areas of my face. I decided it didn't want to cooperate with me. And I really want to try out this one too. It's Graceland by Colourpop, but I'm not really sure what I want to do with it. I might make an accent line over it, but this looks really cute the way it is. I might make some stars. That would be kind of cool. Like up here. But I should probably do it the way my eyes rest so it doesn't look funny. So basically, even if you can't see anything, this white is a lifesaver because I was always using NYX's and oh my god, would it skip? Couldn't do anything with it. It would get all over the place. So happy there's a white felt tip liner with a brand that I approve of. Let's see how these look. Oh, thank god. Oh, they look cute. Cool, okay, so that worked. Very excited about that. Alright, so let's see. What are we going to do next? I'm going to do my lashes. These are diamond lashes. These top row isn't, I just don't know where to put them. And then I'm going to put on my wig. And then I will be back. And we will put on some lipstick. And then we'll be done. So I have most of my wig on. You can see I tried to use the blue, but I don't really like it. But anyways, let's move on to eyelashes. I used these in my last video too. I was going to use like natural, kind of blown out, shaggy looking full eyelashes. But this look is very fun and silly anyways. You know. So I'm going to wait for this eyelash glue to dry. Actually, I'll see you in a minute. So I'm just going to put all my stuff away because I like to be clean. Cool. Suiting, I look like a clown. It's kind of like the big comfy couch when she cleans up. And it's like really fast motion. Except in this instance, you won't see me cleaning up. Get out of my eye. Thank you. Stop. You ever put on like fake eyelashes so perfectly you don't want to mess them up by touching them? On to the next eye. I do like this adhesive. It's the Kiss adhesive. Because even if I like get some in my eye, it doesn't burn like hell. Because there's no latex in it, which I like, because I found, as much as I liked Duo's lash glue, it burned the hell out of my eyes, like red for days, not even joking. My eyes were red for a long time. I'm going to clean some more stuff up, I'm going to let this glue set, and then we're going to shove it on my eye. So I think that's fine. I think that is good for glue. I just dropped my tweezer into my eyeshadow thing. I took a chunk out. Okay. If you notice that my real eyelashes don't match the black, that's fine. They don't match right now. I didn't put on any mascara. I like to wait for the eyelashes to sit first before I go in with mascara. Let's put this on. Oh, it's just Lala. Probably Lala and Kiki. Perfect. So we put mascara on like we normally do, same mascara. And then I'm going to use the Prime and Fine Dewy Fixing Spray by Catrice. And with that, we are done. I really like the way this eyeliner performs. I think it's really, really nice. I think it's super pigmented. Great for me. I hope they come out with more colors. Really like a light blue and maybe like a purple. That'd be really nice too. And alright, I'll catch you later. Goodbye.